This is a quick and easy pie to put together, and it's really good. Everyone loves it. So it's called a French coconut pie. To me, it's kind of like a buttermilk coconut pie. But anyway, let's get started on Darlene's table. All right, we're going to start with my 9-inch pre-baked pie crust. I'm putting a teaspoon of flour and a teaspoon of sugar in the bottom. When you have a really liquidy pie or with a fruit pie, that really helps to keep the crust from getting soggy. All right, we'll start with 3 eggs. Now I'm going to add a cup and a half of sugar, and we'll mix this well. For my friends that like coconut cream pie, you're going to like this as well. I just added vanilla bean paste and now buttermilk. It has 2/3 of a cup of buttermilk in it. Now a stick of melted butter. Mix this real well. And 1 1/3 cup of coconut. That's all there is to this pie. It's so simple. It's very good. I promise you'll like it. It's a baked custard with coconut in it. It's so good. And it's quick and easy to put together. All right, let's get all the filling into the pie shell. There's really not any need to spread it around because it's so liquidy it will level out. Because I pre-baked the pie shell, I'm going to cover it with this silicone pie ring to prevent over-browning. If you don't have a silicone pie ring, you can always put aluminum foil, but this just makes it so quick and easy. Into a 350-degree oven for about an hour or until set. Let this pie cool until close to room temperature, then refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Voila! A French coconut pie. Sweet, silky smooth custard blended with coconut in the mix. Brings a little joy in every bite. And this is so easy to make. I mean, you saw the video. A few ingredients and a little mixing, especially if you already have a pre-baked pie shell ready to go. I can't emphasize this enough. If you really want to de-stress your pie baking life, have at least 2 to 3 pie shells in the freezer almost all the time. I promise it'll change your life. Okay, I'm going to get off my soapbox and just thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.